Eno shoot ibhedi yakho.
Sanibona sanibona lisho boy Philimathiwe bhekana nesikhabe ntazi umkonto khona cancer but ukhenza kashaya yathethiswa kushuthi manje dlala 433 yangithola
433
yangithola
yeah
ngayinga ku right wami ngiphethe apolice mabutsha mangiyangayika kulethi ngiphethe the general himself you understand manje ucela police ukuthi asisize bafethu thank you amaphoyisa lalela come on
wala bafita hayi Steve mavocha ngibambisa ngwapolice angazi akunadayi makafike yabo akunankinga makamadleba anyway so
Portable.
bafethu
Siyagodi bafethu shiwo make.
Yeah, siyagoda shibobo make ule cap phakathi apolice ngadanga kuleft lapha emuva sithi mbokazi yahamba kwafethu sibonile ukuthi usayinile sazi ama stipulation athini but hayi yazini simfisela ukuhle la khona ufuna ukuzwa amathonga ukuthi bona baxabangana ukuthi what the future holds we out here lapha eChicago fires Bobo maboja wena uthini bale lami
Mavocha uthi njalo.
Bobo maboja
mbokazi ne
Yeah.
mbokazi
mbokazi
Abakushayi.
counter attack lezi ngibamba nge-counter attack isha ngamaloluka yabo mbokazi smooth ne sharp sibe bayiconfirma this week libekadlala last game yakho kahle uzova after AFCON
ngimbonile trainer mina sengibonile clip bayilinkile trainer
so like
America.
ngale America okay see last time I checked vele bakhuluma ukuthi uqedile ama medicals nani njengoba vele bami-introduce kule viki lesibuya kulo so like we knew ukuthi vele Saturday bekuzoba last game yakhe well great move fair ke move grand for Ntwana personal uyakazi personal yeah alo explorer filo mama still ntse ke atella tabelo gae ka ra America idlala mini months le ka ra a buta riding yo
ke tlo tshela sa melo ke utlwile
wabo ifeli izolo yeah so like meaning bavala for how long
Angeke bavule January.
how long idlala for how many months siqale ndaba
I'm not sure personally
so like it's something kumele si check because of you know into eyenzakala ngabo Cassius Mayilula nabo Hlongwane Cassius amajita fili Cassius wabhayizise dlalile ngala Canada yavala iliki yehead ukuthi bamlula sambona ukuthi uwe that ngombola to the game time we that abachitha so like mina angikho convinced for umbokazi ngale move lena but then financial indaba ze finance mnandi yabo uzoba right yabo uhlokona ethe into tsa via chelete otherwise maka in a business sense the team imnandi Pirates benefitile from sale riding ya mbokazi but then yawisho la lekara aphamiselto athole ke di Europeans even though utlwile gore ba tse di Europeans di etsa
yeah
babo
But no. Okay, makasuka from America.
yeah
Ngibazo Europe. I think zoba better.
uzoba pay exit
Land straight ngayi.
yeah mthola
I think
didengilene bafuna ukumbona close
Yeah.
kubo more than bazombona from South Africa yabo well nada feel the point yeah
Bonke ama-African players.
yeah baqala vele
Bebamlande from ngayi.
bikuzoba
Obviously bazofuna inyuke encane.
but then
Ngoba sibamthole ngala ngudlalile.
but then njengile accident ukuthi manje no kumele basithathele phansi because of now bas undermine la bantu
Too much.
ngeke bazosho ukuthi they can't pay more for African players yini isho ukuthini into ngileyo I mean like rona phela as a player iyadlala perform kona ke best player etswang ka yelo ke product etswang ka you understand so like abatlo we can't pay European ba batla hore ke ntwe ba zamang
but then again ke understand the concern of but then again I think ba sheba le standards league we understand no South Africa ratse bor vele some of the okay neighboring countries, they
Yeah.
know South Africa, Polar, Nejwan.
Mm.
But as we go abroad, ke mo loreng mostly the teams are
Yeah, the
cover South African football through Sundowns,
yeah. Credit to Sundowns.
whatever
World
thing.
Cup.
Yeah, credit to
So then
Sundowns.
again, you're not the only one on Langara. They allow team with I think TikTok area. Mbogas no satwane like that
Go America.
because now what happens? What's Bakada about the ball the way.
Yeah.
Understand?
See football
So
in country.
later, it's a win-win type of a thing because I believe in lady thing agent. I think agent even right again. League it's not as tough as it seems. Even Bogas are for one season failure, I got talent to build because I believe it's gonna make an impact.
So rock.
Well, we hope so. Kuntanga lena feel wabo. The way formerly thing, I reach another peak kada wabo. Magavela I believe kontwana fela ka yetsa ntwe wabo. So arhoni.
Already, your training coach is impressed.
They have to. Abana
Yeah,
chama better
that's
TLP.
that's good.
They're talking about his strength and his
Mina bengisukele la yedi nje. So dlala World Cup nje.
Yeah.
Ngithola. In 6 months or 7 months.
In 6 months.
Ngithola. So no, mina into bengithusa ukuthi league yabo whenever izovula ngazivula. Balifinye kadlala ngacala. Then ucoach esquadini yamazi unjani yuko mawungadlala kakhe.
Then he concern leyo vele.
I-concern ambe kuyila so I pray ukuthi yabona njengokuthi bayamncane Jimmy ngathiwa like yabona njengonkodo ufike wadlala ngisho ukuthi kube into enjalo uyafika adlala because of hambana uba nawo wadlalisa uMbokazi kule akekho.
Mina ngithi no Hugo noma uMbokazi angadlali. Mina still say akekho umuntu uzoreplace uMbokazi. uMbokazi ngeke asilungise isigame sakhe noma angadlali nasi.
Yeah.
Nasi.
Wabona
Because
coach.
manje sorry, I think he's a major factor in moment department in your defense. No, mfetho ka ba chiya ka renga wani sakeni mama bani Mbokazi alalekile. Ngeke isibali.
Yeah.
Because we know what type of a player he is.
I'm funny.
He's not just a player, bro. That nigga is a fighter.
He's a great player.
Yeah, me yena tlomspanela yabo. Kaba no wabona like insal formula no anke nzadlala.
Yeah.
Insal formula no obviously asoyika ra no. Kasani ke camp. Obviously satana to ithola game time. Guaranteed vele utodlala of course. E right vele utodlala. As ba prepare asekitsho like for now of course. But ukhona udlala ukhona ukadlala at least labantsana lona la momentum akhona udlala yabo.
No, mina World Cup angamkhetha. But ngasengikhulumela
Game time.
Match fitness. I just pray ukuthi angadlala man. Ukuthi vele masikazuza esquadini ngoJune. Lezi zaseMexico ukuthi sezasiphaphela lapha ku-Twitter.
Amizwe.
Yeah, sezarela kakhulu. Yabo ukuthi basithole sigrand. Simnandi. Yeah, push Mexico, push
Fana everything, trash talk. Sijwayele. This is sports.
Makaphela.
From talking about football with Nigerians to Mexico.
It shows what's in that.
The pain let the thing la goes. Apart from everything, Antona feel wabo. It deserve a move. We get it till bito ka ikasi. Nati performile kiole gone.
Ngiyalibona libo mashonisa lona.
Misa.
Malata dichelete no.
Mame.
Yeah. Ngiyalibona libo mashonisa la koleka no.
And wabona nenye into ne. Khona into bengidinga enhle kahle yabona ngale move le eka Nkota na uMbokazi. Amalike ukuthi like i-national team project akawa approve ngenye indlela like akawancane because of like akakhoni kwabona ngenye indlela yabo awekho competitive njengoba besisho vele ukuthi like we can't be sending ama player ngada kumalike angekho competitive. So lidinge ibuyisa ilona i-question ukuthi I wonder about playing more really because of like there's been a hype ukuthi really must go but where ene nakhona ukuthi phakathi idenkalo ukuthi like mosova iso really kahle yena somisava kahle kahle bamele i-offer enjalo ngorili
Hey, they playing it safe ka really.
ne
They playing it safe.
ke ntho ne ke teng ka mfana
Yazi
ke ntho ne
bana.
ke teng ka
Hey,
raleni
kusho
like eish
kakhulu, but anyways, siyikhipe. Efana nalento liyakhumbula ikahringa idlala neSwallows. Bafuna ama-player 9. Thatha ama-player 9, then what happens to the team?
oh
If
yeah
you
I
kill
get
the
it
engine of the team,
I
what
get
happens
it
to
I
the team?
get
So
it
I think they've been protected, but yeah, maybe phela ngisho ukuthi ama-offer angene akarile angene before kaMbokazi.
yeah
But azange azabe as commercial as
yeah
So I think they're protecting Urile
But
and they know to really it's Orlando Pirates basically.
mm.
You understand?
I hope mfana wako lena really athole good offer kule christianing egrand etlo style of play sayo etlo mcomplimentani like wabo not to say Mbokazi never fit like wabo
la team lawa ayangena ku-Champions League mara ngeke wabona ku-top 8 nani
yeah but then bayangena
no for ukuzimaketha ku-Champions League ukuzimaketha ku-Europa League lawo ma-team lawo then uyazi ukuthi uqala from la yabo njengobani lebedlala i-Chiefs defend idlala
ngizana
yeah
so those teams wazi ukuthi okay lawa ayangena ku-Europa maybe ubheke ukuthi okay the past 5 seasons beyingena uyazi ukuthi surely vele thina sihlezi ku-Europe
uba exposed ne
uba exposed kamnandi ama-team ayakhona ukubona great so yiyo ama-team mina bengifisa ukuthi aboMbokazi aboNkotha bangaya kuwo ngithola ukuthi babe exposed da so that sazi ukuthi yazi nabona no simnandi direction ithi right ayemasa-America la wena personal for your life yakhe uzotshintsha uzoba mnandi
uzoba great yeah financially
uzwile bathi uMbokazi
mfana kagogo
kagogo yabo nogogo uzoba mnandi bazoba happy too because of at least intwana no yenza izinto financially uzoba great but
career wise
for career wise ngithola
i-concern yami lethu
asibheke ngaleli hlo leli mfana asibheke ngaleli hlo leli as a player usuka maybe eMzansi uya kulama league lawa ngathi adiz let's say boma Scotland understand hamba uyodlala ngala remember ukuthi PSL na Scotland different type of side you understand so it adds to your experience ukuthi maybe let's say when you come across your thing vele ngisho ku-World Cup of Spain you have experience and you have a different way of how to look the game not only with the PSLI but not the PSLI Scotland you understand so as for Umfukeng he's a modern player why ngisho kanjalo Umfukeng to place him anywhere he can dala because there's something engiyibonile ngegame lebesidlala benidla benidlala izolo nade before ngeDurban City urile mfana like for me sometimes unokuthi udlala njengoMessi basically nokuba confused ungalokuthi position yakhe uyadlala ngakhona and so hence I'm saying ukuthi he's a modern player and ama-player wethu akhule ngale ndlela lokuthi wherever they go they adapt but now it's unfortunate ukuthi maybe luck it's not on their side
yeah
you understand so that's just about that because experience does add yabo noma ngaya ku-Chicago and whatsoever but we believe ukuthi he's gonna take something out of
Chicago
yeah hopefully mfana ashesha
ibheke futhi azifana nani uqalinge for starters uqalinge waqala ku-A6 angithi wathola i-contract kuphi Pirates kwenzakala Pirates
alright
then ithe makaphuma ku-Pirates asazi ukuthi
waphela passport
lento le so mina I believe ukuthi as a player even if it happens ukuthi thola ama-offer ama-team agrod bheka la ntona uzothola i-game time khona to prove not even to prove or to, like
basically we express
because mazofika kubo Sundowns already une-pressure ulwela i-position nani where else yakhumbula lento ngisho ukuthi if mina benguwu konje sikhuluma
ngoMloyisana
uMaloyisana bengizokhetha la ngiyazi ukuthi
Nembobo
khona it's together because ngizothola i-game time and i-game time it's important because mazongena efieldini ungana game time yani very bad
zakhala
so I think ama-agent they need to protect the players even the club, they need to protect their players like they do with Relay. I think they're waiting for a proper offer, not just Imali, but proper offer for him to fit in the team actually first lineup actually game time minutes.
Kuyona nto important mfana. No, onintwana nje the way dlala kade no. Kuyona nto important or like let me choose a game time.
I am sure. Those niggas out there, they know we know our players well. Ukuthi wafuna ukuza nge-3 million bese ufuna players
ubuso
umuntu wethi inyuke ebhayo yokwenzela isipani. I think yazi mfana, I think dala ama-player wase-Africa ubhaba wasathi kanjani
futhi abanye bawathatha as free agents.
Yeah, amanye free
because
of
black.
Alright. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba thina
Like market the cheapest.
And ntanga Premier League black players are there.
Yeah, that's the black market.
For internationals really.
Spanish La Liga. Fit black players things. Into engisho ukuthi it's like ngathi lezi zivele zisenekhaya zazi ukuthi mangiphethe 3 meter ngithola 10 players. Ngawafaka Europe springs. Adlala lama team akhuphula
and ezakhuphuka.
Yangithola.
Hardware hardware kubua nkayona diaspana adifihlakala tsona diaspana ntwana tse
yabona
diaspana
iworth yabo much more than yena lo muntu lo
acabanga
Opala ngikhumbuza something le France but more France mawufika like France you're not considered as a French national, right? But if you rescue a cat from the tree, that's when you consider a French national. So that being said, you get a player way to as we remove. If France has got 30 World Cup, but if France 30 World Cup, they never said Africa to get the World Cup. Because the Africa 30 World Cup,
yeah, most players.
You understand? So
Africans,
this English Premier Leagues and stuff like that, they mean business in fact. They know what's going on. As much as you know, in Africa, most of the countries that would be exposed to it is getting ila base Tuzan in Europe. Down there.
Yeah, one of them like it's hard for Europeans to be
unless if you compete with them in the same stage, that's when they're like, okay.
Like now, available to feel available World Cup. I Mexico.
France, I was talking about France after match, maybe it's a post match. The only team we're afraid of is South Africa in the FIFA World Cup. I'm like, yeah, big ups, you have to be afraid.
Oh, very
Master Chef. And that's really
no, like I think if it's available concern, but one comes on because of now. South Africa, now South Africa is buzzing like yaula chu. No. Bra.
That means with Argentina when the fighting spirit.
Even with Portugal as well.
Yeah, let's talk football. That's why we have to be called top 5 best footballing countries. Top 10. Because of the disc.
It's actually the right time next year.
Sure.
Yeah, it is the right time. Talking about the right time, important. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates for clinching 2025-2026 Carling Knockout Cup. Izolo lokwa izolo. Sibonga especially ngizandla. That's why ngibachela ukuthi abomashonisa bayakoneka manje equality yabo. Mara sibona ukuthi mabafika kimi ngizothi bapanchisa lapho ngiyayibeka ngiyafasa
16 ton in the pen. 16 ton in the pen.
No igame lezolo ni igalance. Ngifuna ngazi ukuthi beyifuna ukudlala long game.
Actually they were stretching it. That was part of their game.
Yeah, because game lab.
It's that summer.
Yeah, we were expecting iqhum. Skathola iqhum.
Quash.
Yeah.
And that's because we told ngani ngama set piece because
masingathola iqhum
move forward.
Sizoba mnandi. Yangithola. But bona bebafuna ukudlala a long game. Ngabheka abashayanga ne-shot on target.
hopefully iphele ngama-penalty baye ema-penalty-ini kahle
Bebafuna
kahle.
I think.
But then again, I think it was funny in a sense already. It frustrated Pirates.
Yeah.
That's
Hey.
why bebadlala lo game and it worked for them ne ukuthi yazi asenzeni so asiba-frustrated wonke umuntu uyazi mfethu mase nifuna igoli nama-defender ya-apha siya-apha so yinto belentshangithi bebafuna igxuma igoli ukuthi bazoba-frustrated bazofuna ukapha wonke umuntu uzofuna ukukora wonke umuntu uzofuna ukucontribute. That's where we'll kill the game. Yangithola. So lela game lila beselifika la ngibona
To a point, yeah.
makathatha ibhola umbukazi bese
Ngaphambili angimbonile.
So cause no we need that goal. Sazi masibathole lo goal le bazovula bazofuna ukuza kithi. And mabeza kithi si Pirates thina lezisiphethe hema kanje. Mabeza siyashaya. Yangithola. So bekuboneni after igoal that's when they started
playing
bafaka ama-forwards sebayenza now they need a goal because i-game plan
it was a forced game plan change.
And besekusele isikhathi esincane yangithola
they left it too late ngamanye amagama.
Mina to tell you the honest truth igame ezolo njengoba ngiyibukela iMarumo Gallants mfana only if they were more effective moving forward they would have gave Orlando Pirates Lokuzana
a tough time.
Not even tough time, like problem. You know why I get what? Most of the time, Pola is working on the Marumo Gallants. Ya move, ne? But I don't see each and Pelegar citing La Pirates. It felt ladder, you know, because I felt like when I didn't theory, but then again, you're playing it safe. Abaka told them back count. Because if it's not a Pegulitadisa, Wapega no, kuna leva to pants or one, but it's a pants.
Yeah,
Yes, I bound before and it's a na Marumo Gallants bona ili team elurungi to akasi basically when most of the players in there players about discover Pirma man ling they can play ball.
Yeah, the coach Liana
and he's the youngest coach in PSL.
Why do we believe their team?
Wayeka
la wangena lentwana le manje lekhujana yaqhubeka ngesipansaka kwalo ya upgrade to a point whereby no Marumo uba i-threat kwamanye ama-team. Yangithola.
I think yona ne kuma-cup game we-strategy sakhe because
elikini ayidlali sona
Sundowns ikhiphe ngama-penalty Arrows ikhiphe ngama-penalty so kuma-cup game I think we-strategy sakhe ukuthi hayi
so we never
let's
saw
wait for them.
Take a one for the team.
Yeah, I think lona Pirates lona ilahlile phela ngoba ilahlile Pirates kanti mara no uyakana le dinge bothusitseng ke daiding ke believe le daiding le resilience yabo because of di chances tse le go no Marumo ne ka di create and ne ka expose Pirates ba tsena ba iphanisha Pirates hence usho to China abamshayanga kangaka uChina. I'm not shot on target because of these stats anelihlayile la di 16 shotted goal ku Pirates and then tse di bo mathunyana ke a bona ke kantle ba badlala game efeng entle mole wa bona Pirates se bolo dimenses ba dutse morao my 8 kaofela la abana strike Didaling ke yone ba costile ba Gallants
and
badala full striker
and saying number 9 he can say frustrated already
yeah it's
at the floor
Clifford ke yone Gillen Pirates ka first game our second game ikora di last goal so like imbonsi one shot so like impontshitse riding go like San Marco Gallants game plan ya bona e ya dlala low block ya go isa di penalty they know like Arubi wa di bamba yena wa di tshwara yena bo so like the penalty tsa anyone you're right there
but ne Pirates i-plan ya approach game they great bangifika ngazuthiwa lizo uthatha izonkipa mzakhe wadlahlela eground
lahlela wonke amaphuzu
no mawudlala kanjalo u-cup final it's danger because of okay what if we score one goal first half siyakhora then this must be a second half zibuya ama-players bewalela pizza athe sebakhathele sekuzoba i-chance yabo ukuthi hayi silandeni labantu sebakhathele uzofaka bani
usana plan
sekumele manje phela ngibona masekenza ama-sub la bese kunembobo endleleni. Masekale kuthatha umbulu ayomdlalisa.
Imbobo
Imbobo nemthajela nombulu.
iqale eva imbobo.
Okungasa-understand.
Iqale makuphuma uMakhawula. Because of bebamprotecta lo.
Yeah, yena
bebamprotect. Yeah.
But that is why ngithi bekungamelanga ulahlele zonke zakho so. Ungazilahleli so like la besazi ukuthi so attack like game lonke. So let's be attack. And noma Hopa nayo idlala ngechance.
Eish. Le 5 minutes.
Awudlali ngechance. If bebakorelela goli.
Mfana.
Negoli lesithubi singathola.
Yeah, besingalithola yeah.
But nabo badlala ngama-opportunity balebele bayamisa bayenzani nini nabaphasadi lapha ngesikhathi esi-right like ngifila ngazuthi like konke umuntu bekafuna ukushaya.
So my question is,
uRelena bekade afuna ukuseva.
my question to you too.
Feeder.
So you think ukuthi Pirates when they approach games they sort of like pick games? Because a game like Zolo, let's say for an example, if the Pirates maybe Sundowns or Kaizer Chiefs, they come at you and they make sure they score. But now they played against Marumo Kalens, let's say for example, maybe TS Galaxy. You miss chances like those ones as against what you must.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Now my chance that yeah, and as to frustrate, you miss wa misa lapha ya mfethu mahopa lapha ya ulikhipulele wenzi. Awuthi uyazi ukuthi player mali epalini liyomama emaphakathini. Ngeke limisa idi. Wawe isibhola emaphakathini. Isibhola esayidini mfethu ene uyabona makamile lapho ukuthi na imbobo esayidini lapho leli phakathi if bekathi belingeke lifikile lapho lapha ya so yangithola ezinye izinto kumele usibheke ukuthi you get opportunities whereby striker has to just kill this thing kill it. That's why sometimes bayabukela ama-game after that umuntu azibukele ukuthi yo la ngibhedile next time nje.
So my question, you haven't answered my question. Do you think they choose the games or?
Yeah, they choose the games, but then uzwa mina ngithini ucoach naye akathumeli zonke ibhamu zakhe at the same time. Uyakhona ukukhetha ama-player athi lawa ngizowafaka azoyenza ispan ngizolanda ama-impact players wamawangena
La sebakhathele si.
Yeah, and at the same place. Ngithola but izolo vele
walahlela konke.
Ngithola bekumele u-police as usual.
Bokumele uqale mina for mina bokumele uqale ngombule. Umbulu wathi ubheke
because of ngithola bese second half alahlelele zayiba
nakalekhala creativity momedlini ngakabashela.
Ngithola bese siyileka
nakalekhala creativity and no really yet or like lamele jona abi
and jona
wa khathala
ushake phrase lena hore tshwantse ke late bolo ko and wethu le all player lona utla o go lata bolo mo le bolo be sa gutluwe ne be ya go tshwantse o ehla po e ka kwa ngata
maybe you collect
lento boyitshela boyire ukuthi utshela umremu ukuthi ungayira
kakhulu uzosikhathaza
ibala mina ngizomagala because of mele satheke the space lesimosithole ibhola
mremu na dile nyore each and every game batla ukora atsa kori o batla nka team ya bemo no more necessary for no right jwalo because you have like players that they can help you.
Yana is good for it ne or like ke play lo ngvele attack minded ka tsela nyana tse di padeng boom tlamele
delegate
exactly one shot lento bo you shoot vele mele anga askaya kwa deep askuphosa spaces
ukhathaza
azusithile ukuthi kumele akore each and every
exactly
and that's a good mentality actually. But
yeah, for an attacking play, it's killing the team.
Killing
that's what I'm
now
saying.
Because of manje wena sofuna ukora yonke into uzobuyenza nge-end uzothi uyakhava khabelile
and asashare nokushare
kumele ushare record because of you just want to score sometimes you just have to pass make it simple there were instances la bekumele pass ngenze ngithi izoshaya le ngicaba and ishaya and uyabona ukuthi lapha ngaphandle uyalivala ibhola uyazi ama-player ahlelezi uyalibeka ukuthi bayeza bayashaya bayahla
shoot le ndaba le eka Mremi cishe afana neyaka ubani uLookman le Nigeria kunelinye igembe badlala wakora igol wamisa ipenalty ucoach wahamba yo Twitter ukuthi uLookman is the worst penalty taker ever. So lento le it goes with he wanted to score more goals because finally wakora hat-trick against the Lucasen, right? 11 or something like that. Yes, wakora hat-trick. So lento le say la ukora goal that should be enough. You should be like ipenalty bashilo ukuthi ipenalty bekomele ithathe ubani. Then he took the ball one miss. Then that's when he got that critique.
masonjalo ntanga like angeke usadlela for i-team bekurile mabami interview after le game leya la midweek or lesidlala wathi mina mangikuphasile wakora nami ngikorile
Yeah.
i-team
sidlala
yeah.
i-team iwinile. Imagine if wonke lamaplayer lawa lapha kuPirates angaba nale mentality.
And uMakhobe kazobe enkingeni if bendliwe izolo.
Yangithola. Yangithola.
So ngiyabona
naye enye indaba.
Dynamic equilibrium yawo.
Naye enye indaba.
Balance.
So mame unkoda. Uthi ufuna ukukora. I think ilento esikhuluma ngayo. That's why into engicabanga ufuna ukukora open
World Cup.
When uthi
the mentality is fucked up.
Yeah.
Because now we will be there wanting to score and it's, we want to play and score. So kushuthi unkoda makangavela 1 or 2v1 or whatever. Like mela pass, you won't because I want to score the open. Then besaya misa then what?
That's your take.
Yeah. Then masimthuka.
Your take on this one?
Jesus.
Anton is building confidence.
Lena was about to say that.
Who's building confidence?
He's
building his confidence.
Good right.
We're not disputing that.
Don't get us wrong.
That be all right. Yeah, going something behind
Who's building confidence in a way ukuthi yena uya ngaye now. Uyidlala iWorld Cup. Of which is integral.
And he feels like he's capable of doing it.
No,
leyo uzoyidlala.
Yena he's capable fela akayitsa la. Gathi bona lo scoop ke.
And I got to the placement lihlela for goal.
Mara, le nge bo boyring and lona feli ke point.
That's why I dispute again.
So awatlamele abe over confident. Asikaba over excited izimo.
Ngizokuzenzela example. Yeah, plus besikhona ngeWorld Cup 2010 sibukeli ukuba ni-poster boy.
Poster boy isn't like
bekuba niwe esazi ukuthi le player le izosenzela izinto. What happened?
Yaqwenyile. Tournament imgwenyile.
But
into reach on ke like asikaba overconfident nobani no.
It is still cool gradually.
Awufika World Cup final.
No miss
okay, my man.
Sure,
Maxa, it's a good question. If you miss Bedati ngifuna let's say bathi udlala neBrazil nana athi ngifuna ukukora. It wasn't going to be questioned because you know the type of a player he is, right?
Yeah.
Mina lento inkoda yenzayo njengoba sho Steve it's a confidence booster. You understand? Ilento lokuthi man noma ngidlala neSpain ngidlala neArgentina nani I can still dala. No, besides the fact of your scorer lengde wabona buwa ka scorer. It simply means ukuthi ke batla score against Mexico but atla kopa la Argentina le Spain akatho.
In that shot.
Yeah, that's what I'm reading between the lines. So mpethu fana nani now bo mpethu mama ngene field now ufika ukuthi angifuna ukudlisa mangi striker ngifuna mangena lapha ngithi ngifuna ukukora even though it doesn't happen ngifuna ukukora
uzo mina yazi lento le
mina ngiyaku
ngihambe neprofile yakho does he score in big against Nigeria bekumela ukorile when we need him ukorile that's my thing now when I World Cup so yazi mina ngikhayela mentality yakhe izobafana because of now ufuna ukukora so what happens in opportunity ukuthi angakora yes but manje the simplest way ukuthi aphasilo yakho then athi uyashaya bese ayamiss then bese siyadliwa
athi uyashaya bese uyakora
into engisho that is why ngithi angakora ikhona
imbobo what you say
yeah uzongithina angakora ikhona imbobo yes akora but what happens uzongithina what happens if uyamissa la and simile nginyawo
sesa celebrate
sizothuka iconfidence yakhe yenzani for the next
year
then uba nosifake yapho
uthozokora uwenze
yazi kumele yenzini yazi mina kuphumile kumele yenzini asitshelela yini ngeyiwani
ayiwani yaqeda ayiwani
azi ukuthi yazi ngushaya
I think
we have a way of expressing how izinto ngendlela ehlukile when you can keep quiet about it and they wanted to express it out loud so that everyone yazi fana nganisibongile mfethu uyazazi ukuthi you need a push but the push yakho it comes from abantu when you say it mangithi ngifuna ukora obviously sokufakela le pressure lokuthi uthi ufuna ukora ngithi kora uthola ukuthi wait uthola ukuthi lento leyo istrength sakhe sokuthi mangikhuluma abantu babangathi kimi ila ngikhona ukwenza into khona why can't we support him
but if I profile yakhe ukuthi yena makasho lento leyo makenzakala iyayenzeka iva asinayo iproof.
Bobo, you can't be a fortune teller. Be
Umes-
positive.
What you said is right. uMessi mangathi because we know ukuthi he
Profile
scores.
yakhe njalo, but
He
yeah,
but
but you need to be
eyakhipha.
you need to be
Abana profile ukuthi yena anganqakaza.
okay.
Simdinga
Umbokazi-
nje udlalile
Okay,
baze
sharp.
bamkhipha.
Let me just make a typical example. Let's say in this scenario, Umbokazi athi ngifuna ukora against Isiwelele le goal alishayile. Would you be going back to his profile?
Mbokazi uthi ke chance.
No, listen. He took
Yeah,
a chance.
yeah,
He took a
yeah.
chance, but he scored.
Ubone space was-attack.
You're not
Buffett,
You're not listening to my question.
Eh.
You're not listening to my question. Umbokazi unkota manje. Usho the very
No,
same thing.
yenza-
I can't choose a player let choose.
He doesn't score. Ngamphikisa
Udlala
Uyahlala.
phambili.
udlala phambili.
Offensive
Right.
player.
Akakazanza i-full wing back.
Natural way.
Natural way. Yeah, natural way.
So okay, let's say ke ithi ngibona ubani. Le nto udansile idlala ba.
Ngomdleleni.
Ngibeka yena ke to this question.
Lena nkile chance.
Thathi cha.
Ka-
Yeah,
goal
okay,
A.
okay, sharp. Let's say
Yena sathi ukuthi uyikora.
Yeah. Ubonile le goal against Zambia. Ulibonile?
Oleli cha.
Lelia
Yeah.
alikorile. Uyalikhumbula lelikora ku-Champions League ku-Pirates.
Yeah,
Nale team.
cha,
You see,
cha,
une
cha.
profile ukuthi siyazi ukuthi this kind of goals.
Uyawakora. So
So
mini
makangathi
kayikudwa point abo.
makangathi echancini
Lena guy who's like in dispute, okay.
Uzokora. Then lapho singasho ukuthi obvious.
Asamazi
We
uzolida
know.
vele. Yena is capable.
He's
However,
capable.
So he needs
But
to be
imagine
specific
if-
ukuthi mangivela ngapha ngizokora.
hayi.
No.
Yena is capable mara
Who's
na
that?
nthokile lang. Askaba overconfident in such a way like I ka hlahela that moment vie. Kamile yetsale. Ebese sa etsala vele ngayitho.
Ngiyayithola
One touch. So like yena ugrand like aba guy confident
Yeah, we
yabo.
can't bash him for
Yeah,
that.
that's
We
guy.
can't bash him for that.
No, angimbheshi uzomna ngithini ngithi no. Izomfaka up because now uzoba yiplace lidinga.
Esimbhekile futhi.
So next game uzoba seka main fact.
So what? Okay, well,
ifaka
so
goal.
Okay, like I'm mentality
what
of
happens
Kokora.
if he scores?
Then
Ukorile.
Ukorile.
Yeah.
Oh, so
we- He
Yeah,
kept his promise.
I wasn't seeing World Cup. And see against Chiefs PSL game.
I like the
Yeah,
Chiefs.
I want to score the first goal. In fact, World Cup. Everyone is watching.
Yeah, well, every given
Everyone in
opportunity
the world,
mfana.
Joe.
hayi, baba.
That's a good one for Umlomo. Since talking about World Cup. Talking about in the World Cup. Lineup, the AFCON, not even lineup, okay, squad ne?
Yeah,
Keep guy 25.
25 players, yeah.
Yeah, out here ngayi right winger.
Okay, baba.
Izositshela ukuthi bame kanjani, who made it. Uzokhipha ifoni ka boss.
iPhone.
iPhone what?
iPhone.
Yeah.
iPhone.
So this is our
Yeah. In fact,
25
bekungamelanga
players.
bakhethe 27 man.
Hayi, bakhetha 23. 23 players. So thina sikhethe 25.
Ithu izohlala le.
Ayivayi nokuvaya. Melisali.
Uzovathi
Apparently
What's our replacement?
ibhatala 23 players aba-participator full squad CAF, and then the extras ama-replacement i-association nje kumele ihandle, yeah, kumele ihandle ama-payments wabo because of ama-replacement yangithola, and nawo ama-replacement wakhona awekho guaranteed ukuthi angaba right because of people players uyowathi uwakhethile lama-replacement lawa ne, but then akabelieve ukuthi angawabiza ngithola.
Uzoba namashock.
Yangithola. So like ulande uShandre Campbell noTalon Smith, of which is kid youngsters,
And no.
and intwana beko picking yayo. Uthangeke kube neshock, hayi khona ishock, hayi.
No, besides Claire, we are talking about what you so.
It's a shock.
Why kumele akhethe abantu abangadlalanga kuma qualify.
Yeah.
And manje nawo bakhethile manje yabona bazofuna lo. Oma ukhuluma nge-age.
Yeah, age, but nakhona.
Ngiya-understandile leyo. Eka lodge age wise it's fine.
No, nakhumbula
What's netloba jwang? Say Tembazwane na le picking le sharp. Tembazwane ba monka. Lodge ba msiye wa ga subua ka lodge age high. Tembazwane go to lodge. So like ni wa bona netloba o ga matala o reng jwana.
Yeah.
orange one
ebakare obaye
o understand well kamnile themba zwane sha hayi
Bona itumele mkhulu manje sikapost.
ngimzwile lathi we need lodge
okay bafethu before siya phambili sicela squad icala then sobuya
batla
Yeah,
the squad sa AFCON sa AFCON asa World Cup
yeah ngitsho sona sa
wa goalkeeping department obvious ya Ronweni Ricardo Goose Sipochain
we're not surprised
ya ga tseba vele ka Goose ya Goose o bile le di yala wabo
ona le vudunyana e
eh
shapa
wena
Akaphefuma ngawenzi.
eh
Akaphefuma.
azalini
Akashaya ngamasave amasave.
mamela mfowethu
Abadlali wanwana.
udlalile
And bebalile.
mamela hayi good right Peterson keep on working hard my guy
keep on working hard boy
keep on working hard
yeah
okay defenders Khuliso Mdawu
Yeah.
Thaba Mathuludi le Polokwane City and then Talon Smith a shock
yeah
surprise package
impela Mbokazi
Ah,
it's a service loop
he doesn't like talking at all yeah obviously Nkosinathi Sibisi Mr Reliable ka Bruce
leader
Oprimdiba Khulumani Mtamani TS Galaxy ne yeah Sabonga Ngezana Samuel Kabini
yeah okay
le edlala ka la kono
Yeah.
obvious TLP ili defenders tsana le tsona ya khona ndiko baneke bamshiya mfana no matter what noma ungazali siulunga mfana ngala uProsper Nyekamshi uyazwa yamkhetha
Sundowns.
sinani midfielders ama CDM Mkweni Sithole
Yeah.
Ubas
Yes.
Nombatha only 4 CDMs CDMs
Perfect.
da umnandi la nami le okay forwards ke forwards badi Kenya le midfielders ka fela abantu ozwena Police Nkota Mremi Magopa Foster Mbule Mukwana another shot
Hey, sure.
and labe sesicabanga ukuthi ngeke asabuka
Campbell another shot
Campbell, sure.
and then
God.
President ama 2K there was no wichilo yakaye azange hesitate I like that boy
Betway la nisenzeleni hands ne sicela ibhaleni duo ye birthday
so ama standby players i3 in Tutu Shabalala
Yeah.
Ingram Bryaners le Thabo Mloisane defender Stellenbosch of which is libo ayo sure like utoba use wabo but then
maybe ngizwenza mistake. Since allergic, ngikho sure if we shield already.
yeah
I think uthe ngalama shock. Uthe I'm preparing for the future.
yeah
I think ngeke badlale, ngeke baspanise. If uzobaspanisa, so maybe kwama last minute la but uthe ngibafake kule group le for ukuthi bahlale bazi ukuthi kuspanwa kanjani.
national setup
For the future.
yeah
Like explain point like I think usho kanjani sure.
yeah le usho namnizile yeah
Hey umkwana njo.
no mkwana ngikhulumile ngayo last week ngathi uya pick up ngala and they know busy kakhulu na ngala so makubheka umkwana ngibheka Umremi mina ngibheka uHane la ngibona 21 la ukathi utsho kathi kuma-20 nje idlala ka-12 and kibo left
and actually una le ntho e ringileng ke you e shebe let's say for an example wa pula ntse na bua kana hore a ke tsebe go buile kana maybe ne ke someone in passing ntse ya hore we focus more like body Phillies game we focus more body playing tse hore they've played some of them they kitsela maybe se batlo retire ba bang ba lose the team from professional level they coming back more guys you understand if they get a pressure from ground level let's say under 13 ya televise what I think already giving that child the feel ya udlala loba exposed on TV ska bantu hore maybe asatsa sign your contract be want to change ko so Luena even if you're not playing being part of the squad yang kwa World Cup even if you're not going already ubitwa booster confidence bangtwa le ka usani auto abawele benching auto kena ka se le ya hore I'm not capable to wise again yeah bampitso ba ni tla go
same as Goose Peter Goose
yeah
le Peterson ama clean sheet and then Goose le role idlala yini leyo among the group ke eng e tlisa ndaba.
I think
Whereas Peterson is a ke goalkeeper grand and one chaza ka no pick up banjalo. So abantu mkenya setup already bali ba itire bali se bana le dai relationship ba like pule ja utse ngatse ba o number one goalkeeper go one chola like ga kavana le ke gona re ditire di tla rena taba tsone ke gona re ditire ke a tseba o okay sharp ke a tseba pule wa mpeka ke na le one chola so like ke le leng e jwalo o qeta mo e tshore like o tlwaele so like I think that's why taba ya Peterson le hore ba ska mselecta ko national team for AFCON ke nthonyana a se a ntho personal a se ntho personal yena o form and then ke wish like vele for malungu yona no tot until no something real World Cup.
Yeah, but it happens like with every coach. When I play long believe
exactly
what can thing
one choice so like
there's something about him no ga re tsebe
matala o tshula le tshino o Jose.
Just
want to build a family. Brotherhood.
Yeah, not just the team.
Not just the team I'm playing, but build brotherhood. So it's hard for you to see I break heading because of there's a new on-form player. Now we think, yeah, we need that player, what. Yeah, on form, but also behave
exactly.
What if ngeke akusume umuntu we brotherhood, umuntu we yimina
ngifuna uziveza mina ngiwa kanti it's not about the
so ngoba mina nginje thothi la afuna mina nginje yena ufuna ukuthi masla akuna ukuthi wena on form
or in
let's build a team, let's move forward. So I think it's among those things.
Yeah, so talking about among those things, so what do we make of our group? A group lesson as we are playing against Mexico, Korea, and the other teams to be decided.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah, welcome.
Actually,
why do I answer World Cup? Every time when I'm thinking about World Cup, I get really preparation out on AFCON. God forbid, just thinking positively, but now, what happens if things they don't turn out the way we're expecting? Does it affect AFCON? Does it affect us moving forward? Like whatever is gonna happen, we are copying mentality wise, or you understand?
I don't
atmosphere and the thingy.
Do you know why?
I
don't think it's real, no? Because of it's so already. Mawudlala ku-Nedbank ngayi, ne? You know, maybe udlala in the Champions League. It's different. Ngapha bangakucala ikushaya team. It's because of niyazicavana ngithola ufike ngala ku Champions League win 7-0 because leziya ama preparation awafani. But I think no abo Mexico they'll just watch
ama video vele bazobukela
so into engathi stress if besingadlala AFCON bebangeke
bacava ukuthi isiplenani
bebazobukela ama friendly na
izibezaqala
yangithola but then no mari ngai affect yazi
no vele mina bengifuna vele usho ukuthi
ngeke style of play sethu lesimanje babona ukuthi siyabona ukuthi who's little there if you can 1 2 3
esanizoba because of no bazoyibukela AFCON lezinja lezi
nina baphethe nthini la
yeah sharp
comment
izo affect mara
don't forget to
the only thing the only thing esiyenzayo ukuthi ama-gents believe into sifuna kuphela believe
okay makabheka
you've qualified.
Sometimes they've been winning the league for the past 8 times whatever and they've been playing the same style of football so it is what it is at new
so I never affect our card.
Okay. Before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down there. Don't forget to ding that notification button. Sishaya.
Sorry for ukukhohlela manje.
Hayi siyakhula sonke clearing them throat.
Yeah, welcome yethu. So number 1 Mopi.
Yeah.
Number one.
Number
1.
Siyaqualify ntwana
Yeah,
thina
number 1.
siceda phezulu ntwana.
And you know what's fun?
Siyahamba.
Sidlala Mexico
Siwakhuluma kakhulu.
nge-11
Trash talking us.
June.
Ngozakumi.
Sidlala nge-11 June.
Ngozakumi.
Nge-World Cup sidlala nabo nini?
Ngozakumi.
11 June.
Ngozakumi.
Yes, my visa. But after school is after school. Hey. Yeah, sibongile phethe manje. Ngayibala phethe ngayibala. Seyibhalile lokho sisimaza kukhuluma nje.
Uthini lo bhodi?
Bese ke ukuthengisa.
Asigqokanga uniform mina.
Aniwele.
Akho.
Sibonga.
Ayitshaka kirikisha kwa like and subscribe. Ntwana.
Awale kubetheka kahle kuqhubeka.
Basabayibhala.
Masoyikwala. Close it.
Susa ngibona ufuna ukubona. Ungenza ishangani bro.
My brother.
Oh, hey.
Like and subscribe afethu. Shibobo Mac. Ngiyabona ngakulahlile di man.
Birthday boy tomorrow. Nami ngizothola i-present from the big boss. From the big boss. Yeah, masiyikhulumile dog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ngikhuluma nalo muntu ngikhuluma nalo. Oh. Hello, I'm back. Oh. But how do you feel? Angithi gorille. I feel good. Lebohang. Indaba yama first guest bafethu basichomela but they in their bubble and mina bengayikho lento leyo ukuthi umuntu uba in his bubble lento leyo ukuthi okay now angifuna ukuthi yimi but they living in their bubble. You approach them, they agree on everything, but when the time comes they just teach you like that. But ningawari, we'll keep you updated and umuntu esifuna ukumfikisa like siyabonga mashini Stallione iyashi laseKenza elidla into enzima ayo shakes intwana siphethe na ntwana yami hayi le ntwana lezi siphethe grand yasikhuluma ziyakhula siba grand angithola nami ngicela ungikhurume mfethu ngibe out ngiyadlala but yeah anyway
Shout out to Msheke njaya.
Shout out to Msheke.
Sifuna wena Shuga.
Hayi ushuka vele hayi
Sifuna wena kahle kahle.
emarubizi